had the good fortune of visiting Angkor Wat. I can spend a month there, easily. There's so much out there, and then you try and imagine what it would have been at that time. So one part of it is realization and messaging that, look, this is thousands of years of culture and human creativity and human wisdom and human faith, which is encapsulated in the expression of it. The second is because we are coming out of an era where we've had difficulties. It's today there is a correction taking place. To me, an important part of the correction. We hear there's a G20. Okay, that's like 20 most powerful economies. Okay, very good. You say, okay, change the Security Council. Maybe you should have more countries. But the real change is when different cultures deal with each other more respectfully, more equally, more fairly. And for me, that is an important expression of that, what we call rebalancing as well. And the third is really the nobility of sentiment on the Abu Dhabi side, that they had space in their hearts and in their minds, and an understanding of the world, which encouraged them to actually partner with us in this.